a beautiful subject for nature lover, a hillscape. So today we'll get a direct demo with watercolor. Start with the sky with maximum water and cobalt blue color. With mixing of water will give the structure of sky as I am doing here. Next we'll start with blue plus brown and little bit addition of other color like green, the mountain or hill surface. We'll try to develop same time the textures of the rocks with patches of color and moving brushes. This way you can develop a beautiful structure of hill. See, next we'll do the field with yellow, light green, such color. Same time as you are watching, in respect to needs or require, we'll try to develop the textures of mountain. Time to time, if is required, we'll give more textures of rock. Below the mountain, some greenish jungle will try to develop. Since it is far, it will look smaller in size. Same time, the big structure of land surface will try to give multi-textures with green, brown and other color. Remember, in land surface we are moving our brushes left and right. Sometime in between we'll try to develop some grasses also to create some natural surface. This will proceed our beautiful landscape. Again, if the surface area of mountain will allow to touch more with more depth color, we'll do so as I am doing here. And this way you can give the beautiful structure of mountain with multi-textures. Same time, if land surface is asking to give more touches, we'll apply the same. The big surface area of sky is asking to give some more textures like birds and all. So the surface will look natural. Now, the mountain textures, it will ask you to touch me more if required. This way, keeping in mind light and shade and near and distance object, will keep the touches continue in both surfaces. See how beautifully I am developing the textures of grasses, and the field surface will give you a horizontal loop, and respect to need the nearer subject or object we are giving the deep touches. Now, to beautify the lone surface, let bloom some flowers with bright color like red. Simply I am developing different types of dots here, small, big and as it is. Now the stem of those rows will some vertical touches with blue plus brown. See how it seems beautifully appearing. This way entire area will give you a very attractive, and look wise also it look nice. Now if possible, visibility of your leaves will be there, right? And this way you can finish a beautiful hillscape with your beautiful touches of color. Thank you for watching.